Today, we'll explain how to embroider text directly from the panel. You have to select the letter option in our panel. Then, you will see a keyboard where you can type any text you want, including uppercase, lowercase, punctuation, and more. When typing, you can personalize it with one of the 12 different fonts and 12 sizes to choose from, ranging from 4mm to 50mm. Here, we'll type happy, and we'll switch the font so you can see the different styles we can choose from. You can also modify the width between each letter, all depending on what complements your design or garment. We'll set it to 95. Another great option is to change color letter by letter by pressing the button with 3 colored cylinders. After that, press the On button on each letter to make them all a different color. There's also a way to personalize your text by curving it from top to bottom or from bottom to top. Once the customization process is over, you can press Set and now choose the colors you'll use in your text. When finished, you can use a button that has a magnifying glass to see the final version before starting the machine. And that's it, everything done through the panel without using a computer.